So we are here at the detailing shop, which is, if you can see on my background, Pacific Coast Detailing. So I'm gonna get this car done today. I'm gonna get it a really tough detail and headlight restoration, remove the dent, remove the sticker, because it's been 2 years since the last time I used this car. I let my uncle use it, and then yeah, I want to get this thing back to, to the road, nice and shit. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks right now. So this is Toyota Celica. I got the wheels on, I got the dent here, I got a little minor accident. It was my fault though. And this one has yellow headlight a little bit, so we're gonna get headlight restoration as well. We're gonna get this, see that? If you can see, the paint is a little faded because of the sun and bird poop right there. They're gonna get rid of that too. So this is how it looks from far. And we're gonna get this done too. They're gonna take it off and we're gonna put our own sticker in there. And inside, I might get this fixed. Upholstery, stuff like that inside. So regular detailing interior. So yeah, so by the end of today I'm gonna get this car, but I hope it's gonna be way different when I got this tomorrow. So I have a carbon fiber here. It's a little faded. I don't know if they can fix it, but I asked them if they can. They said they could do it, but it's gonna cost a couple $100. But it's all good though. And I got a little, I don't know, someone rear-ended me, front-ended. So someone hit me in the back, hit and run or some shit like that. So this is the after look right now.
Sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Now I can see myself.
Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby.
So shiny, bro.
We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack.
Alright, let's
and don't
go.
end up making it back. I know
it,
that
boys.
they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not pay that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rats. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. She telling me Tay is the best.
Hot today,
Pointed
holy
the nigga,
cow.
I like a killer, but you only one from the net.
Burning my skin.
I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, around Drakes. Even though I got a case, I'ma do what it take.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bend. they just called me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Yeah. Heart is still beating, my niggas still eating. Backyard it look like the garden they eating. Pillow talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
Woo, it's hot.
Oh, you know I can sing.
Shorty a little body, shorty my little boo.
Here we go, we going in the freeway. Going in.
Mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nut it on the covers, and I kept it on the cover, 'cause I'm kissing too. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy.
Going in, we're
My
going
little
in.
mama nasty. I see the pussy through the panties. She tastes like candy. She a queen like Nefertiti. Uh-oh, my little mama sitting pretty, and we be shopping through the city. I gave the keys to the Bentley. Get off your knees, you don't gotta cry to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and need, from Chanel to Celine. It's on you to decide. Valentine, we out, put you in the best. So lifting up your dress, start kissing on your neck, start rubbing on your butt, start massaging your breasts. I ain't wanna give you a baby just yet. So I backed out and nutted on your breast. I put you in an Uber and sent you to your bed. The very next day, you sent me a text. You pulled up to the crib and we did it again. Shorty your little body, shorty my little boo thing, and shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nut it on the covers, and I kept it on the cover, 'cause I'm kissing too.
No, I never found love until I looked into your eyes. First time blushing, I ain't even gon' lie. 4 rounds in, even bruises on your thighs. You the only bitch can make me spin off on the guys, and the only bitch that make me wanna know when I'm inside. It's your vibe, baby, me you getting high. Honey bitches fucking with you even if they try. See a tsunami, I ain't never felt it dry. Put my eyes while I sleep, hope you be there when I wake. Honestly, I feel a vibe, we at its main. If there's something on your mind, you can tell me. And if I told you it's on mine, would you help me? You won't see the bigger picture, it's just gonna take time. Just because you mine, I'ma keep you looking like a dime. Ain't no imperfections, girl, you fine. Baby, what's your sign? Hope we win against the slow guy.
It's me and
Me and you, keep it silent, ain't nothing we can do. Through the storm, baby, we can make it through. Why you acting brand new? You know you my boo. Got up on my Birkin, it's working. She said she a virgin.
It's her thing.
She my biggest fan, she always lurking. She know I'm a man, I'ma put that work in. No, she can't stand me, I'm fancy. So I'ma bring her out when I get my Grammy. Late night sex, she get 5 panties. Couldn't hold it in, now she need to plan me. Shorty a little baddie, she my little boo thing.
And shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings.
Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on her covers.
And I kept it on the cover, 'cause I'm kissing too. She wanna walk, she wanna with the woo. She wanna with the woo. She wanna with the woo. She wanna with the woo.
hotel with Versace robe. Like it when you let down your hair with no gold. And I say to myself, cause I never like these. If she only like the guap red like these. Why would I waste my time on a shorty that don't got me on the front of her mind? Especially when you get designed and I want it done. And the Billy came with the wings like a number 9. Yeah, come through, just us two. I like
cop,
it cause
right?
you come
No,
cut
it's not
too.
a cop. I thought
Come
it was
through.
a cop. That's why I was
Sus.
slowing down.
I like it cause you
The car
come
behind
cut
us?
too.
I thought it was a cop.
Hey, she wanna
We're in a pool now. It's not a cop. That's it. Go to fourth gear and pull this shit. Got it.
That's my kind of. She be saying like when you gon' fly me in private so I can land on it. She said tricks for kids. She don't fall for the tricks. She can't handle her own. She just wants some. Got that big burger bag worth 5-6 figures. You might be out your league. Can you buy that? I pull up on the top, going on the dawn. I'm the dawn. You can fuck around if you want. If you want out in Bali. Big swing, big dress. Big nigga, make a big mess. Before we done, she asked what we gonna do it next. So what if the seats in the jet? She like all that gangsta. Top down, ride around with the blick. Who you with? Who? She like all that gangsta. I said she like all that gangsta.
She wanna She wanna She wanna Let me take you to the candy shop. Show you all I got. I put diamonds on your chain. To match your diamond ring. I'm on my two. Hate all the love, it's me and you. Let's turn her into something she love. Then who gon' pull triggers? I was fine when I met you. Then I left you. Cause your feel the same. And I don't got time to waste.
Damn, you see that shit? Rub my fender. My favorite, bro. And there's a cop.
Living out my dream, my life is different. If I want it, then I'ma get it. Living every
Let's
day
go,
like it's
baby.
Christmas. Cause I'm gifted. And I know I'm gifted. And I know that I'm gifted. And I know I'm gifted.
I got a whole lot of people that's been counting on me. Got this bad little shawty going down on the dick. I met shorty and we connected like the Wi-Fi. Hopped in the Phantom, disappeared like wildlife. I told niggas that I would make it, they say no way. Watch them niggas that might eat up off of your plate. They caught me sliding on the E-way with the heat on the seat. I got tennis chains with crosses, but I still keep a piece. See, I was 12 years with a Tommy fit. 15 cracking Bobby bitch. I was 17 years on this earth when I popped the perk when my body itch. Need a pound of blow when I'm drowning slow. I was down below, word to Roddy Rich. Who was slap boxing, no karate kid. So to see the difference with a lot of shit. And my grandma got a lot of kids. Bought which farm, no mileage is. It says fifth, I got a pot of fit, but I still got a lot of wild shit. Nigga, this the shit that I asked for. In my last year, I was mad poor. See my mama cry over homicide. Now she down the fly, she got a passport. And my brother locked for a back door. Got my grandmama new Jaguar. Big body whips like Shaq car. No credit check, straight cash card. Nigga, no stress like progress. That's most death like Black Star. See the future in my Audemars. Stack paper, don't do no I got a whole lot of people that's been counting on me. Got this bad little shawty going down on the dick. I met shorty and we connected like the Wi-Fi. Hopped in the Phantom, disappeared like wildlife. I told niggas that I would make it, they say no way. Watch them niggas that might eat up off of your plate. They caught me sliding on the E-way with the heat on the seat. I got tennis chains with crosses, but I still keep a piece.
Living out my dream, my life is different. If I want it, then I'ma get it. Living every day like it's Christmas. Cause I'm gifted. And I know I'm gifted. And I know I'm gifted. And I know I'm gifted.
I got a whole lot of people that's been counting on on me. Got this bad little shawty going down on the dick. I met shorty and we connected like the Wi-Fi. Hopped in the Phantom, disappeared like wildlife. I told niggas that I would make it, they say no way.
You might catch me running through my side of town, even though I run it when I'm not around. Say I'm acting shady cause I'm shining now. Pull up in that Escalade, you know I'm gassed up. I keep it 100 like my
Holy
fucking
shit.
dashboard. On another wave, yeah, we ain't in the same boat. Fake it till you make it, that's some shit I can't do. Don't tell no lies about me, won't tell the truth about you. I know they believe that I would break down. They said I was crazy, guess I ain't now, no. And when I go home, it ain't the same now. It ain't the same now.
She hit my phone like she's trying to get away from the city. Heard them niggas talking down and throwing shade in the city. Ain't no love, it's just hate in the city. But them niggas, it just sauce, we the wave in the city. Hit my phone like she's trying to get away
like
from the city. Heard them niggas
since I
talking
got back
down and
into
throwing shade
Italy,
in the city.
because I got used to it, I've been driving it for 2 years. I noticed myself that I'm doing like tailgating a lot, which is I got used to it.
And they can't tell me nothing, cause I know that if I find her, I'ma keep her, yeah. I've been sussing on a daily, I don't do too much talking. Need a feature hit up Boston, yeah. Shit. Knew that I would be the greatest, try to tell them name and leave me. Sour faces when they see me now. Oh, these niggas dropping statements to the face. I've been trying to tell them I'ma kill shit all year. I'm the wave in the city, I'm the hottest, still the hottest. Back when Lil One Ninja near me, now I gotta make them hit me.
Today.
Oh, no. It's still a reason I feel chained down. They treat me different, guess it's changed now. When I'm in town, it's not the same now. It ain't the same now. She hit my phone like she's trying to get away from the city. Heard them niggas talking down and throwing shade in the city. Ain't no love, it's just hate in the city. All them niggas, it just sauce, we the wave in the city. Hit my phone like she's trying to get away from the city. Heard them niggas talking down and throwing shade in the city. Ain't no love, it's just hate in the city. All them niggas, it just sauce, we the wave in the city, yeah. She wanna get saved from the city. Hey, say. She wanna get saved in the city. I was made in the city.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No. Don't hold no ring.
Dirty ass, spilling ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Got your bitch around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my folk goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga, show me some. Shake it like you owe me some. Pushing on the pussy like a button. Came 4 times, 5th time you go. Still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit bumping, jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Down East and Southeast. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she see my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with Mac 11s. Bad bitch, and she Spanish. I fly her to Calabasas. We get nasty, I'm her daddy. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with fake asses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't stunting it. 4th down, we ain't punting it. King of District Columbia, can't come here without a permit. This shit really a jungle, gorillas and anacondas.
She see money